Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to review two products together. Yes, like I have got this two body mist from Plum's direct website. Okay, now each body mist is costing for 525, but at that time when I ordered there was a scheme going on, or maybe you can say offer going on, that if you order two body mist you have to pay 999. That is in 999 you'll get two. Out of three, any two you can select and it is for 999. And if you make online payment, then 50 rupees will be deducted from your total cart value. Okay, now before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now let's begin with the video. Chalo. As I told you, I have ordered this directly from Plum's website, and the packaging is this, like, kind of, it is a plastic bottle with black pump packaging. There is no another kind of packaging or no plastic wrapping, nothing. It comes like this only with sellotape on it. So you just have to remove the sellotape. I'll show you. It is like this. Okay, so you all can see over here on actually in this particular body mist, I'll tell you there are total 3 variants available. Vanilla cupcake, the second one is Oopsie Daisy, and third one is Hawaiian Rumba. So in vanilla cupcake actually I was a little bit less interested, so I ordered this 2. You can select any 2 out of the 3 and you have to pay 999. Alright, now when you open it, it comes in this kind of spritzer packaging. I'll tell you each and everything. Okay, so this is the first thing, and this is like the Oopsie Daisy is little bit of orange, not exactly orange, but little bit of cream, means you can say a little bit lighter pastel, very pastel kind of orange shade liquid. And over here when you see this is Hawaiian Rumba, and this is normal white. Okay, so it is normal white. From the bottle itself you all can make out. Okay, and this is plastic bottle, not glass bottle. This is plastic bottle, and same with this also. It comes only with this kind of cap, and you just have to press the cap. Okay, now we'll just read the description of each and every like both the body mist, so you all can decide. Okay, now when you go to Plum's website, what they have to say about this particular body mist, first we'll see about Hawaiian Rumba. We'll see about this. Okay, what they have to say. Okay, first is it is like 150 ml for 525 rupees. Okay, it is fragrance lasts for 2 to 3 hours. I like the best part of Plum is, like, they have not claimed a big shot. They have not made big shot claims. They have just told you that this body mist will linger on your body for 2 to 3 hours. They never say it will last for 5 to 6 hours or maybe more than that. They just said it will last for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, these are Nestis free. No Nestis has been used, and refreshes skin and uplifts mood. So when you apply this, it will refresh you and they will uplift your mood. Okay, this is aloe infused formula, makes you feel you are chilling under the sun on an Hawaiian beach. Okay, with the waves creasing your feet. Okay, then a soothing mellow fragrance enriched with hints of vanilla to keep you smelling beachy all day. Adorable, purse friendly packaging. Take it everywhere you go. Free from Nestis, that is, this is free from sulfates, parabens, phthalates, silicons, animal derived ingredients. Okay, this is free from all this, and as well as this is cruelty free and judgment free. Okay, so this is the description what they have given you. I actually read it from their website itself. It is given for this particular Hawaiian Rumba body mist. Now we'll check about this particular body mist. This is Oopsie Daisy. This is Oopsie Daisy. We'll check out what they want to say about Oopsie Daisy. Okay, now in their website they say this is also aloe infused formula, makes you same. Okay, and offbeat floral fragrance that will keep you feeling garden fresh all day. If you want to fresh like beach, then you can go for this Hawaiian Rumba. But if you want to feel like flowery, floral, if someone likes the floral kind of fragrance, then they can go for this kind of Oopsie Daisy. Daisy is the flower's name, everyone knows, so that is what they have given the name Oopsie Daisy. The name is very pretty. Okay, I like the name. An offbeat floral fragrance that keep you feeling garden fresh all day. Adorable, purse friendly, we'll come to that point. As well as this is free from all the nasties, cruelty free and judgment free. Now this packaging, when you see, it is so small and so tiny, you can easily carry in your bag. Of course, you cannot keep it in your clutch or something. This is not that travel friendly, but if you are taking a normal size bag, then this is easily, you can flip into that and you can slip this in that. Like you can easily carry everywhere, and the fragrance of this lingers for 2 to 3 hours, but on my body it was there for 4 to 5 hours. As I told you, I generally don't sweat much. Okay, so since I have dry skin, I don't sweat much, so for on my body it was lasting for around 4 to 5 hours. But then that is very subjective. Suppose if a person is perspiring a lot, it will stay little less, but then minimum 2 to 3 hours the fragrance will linger. And then again this is body mist. You can just open it and you can spritz on your pulse areas. You can apply here, you can apply here, then you can apply on your neck, behind your ears, you can apply there, wherever your pulse areas are, you can apply there, so you can feel. Actually, this is not for other to feel fresh, this is for you to feel fresh, right? So that is why main purpose of the body mist is actually to make you, that is the person who is applying, that person should feel better. So that is what I'll just show you. What is the spritzer? How is the spritzer? Now this is, I'll apply Oopsie Daisy. You all can see. You all want to see the spritzer. So it is like you can make decision. See. You all can see. This is the one spritz. Now what you can do, you can just rub it everywhere on your pulse points. You can just rub it with your directly like this. You can rub and you can smell it. Okay. So this is what, like a small mini review for the both the body mist. Same is with this Hawaiian Rumba. If you want to feel like beachy, that is you want to have beachy fragrance, since we cannot go right now on the beaches and all, everything in India right now is like under lockdown. So if you want to have that kind of feeling, then go for this Hawaiian Rumba. If you want to feel like flowery floral fragrance, if you like that, then you can go for Oopsie Daisy. Basically the problem with me is if I apply that vanilla one, what I said, actually I said vanilla cupcake. I'm so sorry, it is not vanilla cupcake, it is vanilla vibes. So if I apply vanilla vibes, then I'll definitely want to have vanilla cake, and sometimes it is not possible for me to get the cake immediately. That is why I avoided that. Even that is very good fragrance, but I have not tried, so I cannot comment basically on that. But for me, both the fragrances are here. So definitely if you want, you can go with any of the fragrance, and you can definitely buy any one, any two, or if you want, you can buy any three, all three in fact. Okay, so that is all for this video. I think I have covered each and every point. Still, if you have anything to ask, you can comment down below. I'll definitely try to reply your query. That's it for this video. If you are watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, then give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.